Astrotech surged 29% pre-market on a billion-dollar DHS airport security initiative. Weak setup, but we turned on long mode anyway. The Algo takes small entries off the 10-second and 1-minute dips, feeling out the price action. Volume is thin and conditions aren't ideal, but the software manages it carefully. Liquidity is almost non-existent and price gets pinned to $3. This is exactly the kind of setup we should be avoiding, but we're in it now, so we let the algorithm work. Price finally breaks above the high of the previous 1-minute candle. The Algo adds at 317 and sets max profit at 321. Small target, we just want out of this trade as cleanly as possible. We've slowed the footage down as price retests VWAP and the Algo fires its sell order for maximum profit. Just over a grand profit in 23 minutes. Not the cleanest trade, not the most exciting setup, but the software got us out green. Sometimes that is all you can ask for. The opening bell rings at 9:30 and we make the right call this time. Long mode stays off. Sure enough, price peaks at 3:30 and sells off hard into the open. Exactly what happens on a weak setup with no volume. Pick better setups or let the Algo sit it out. There's always another volatile stock, so pick them carefully. Full breakdown of how the software works is linked below. Drop a follow for daily trade recaps and I'll see you on the next one.